With pressSIGN, you can export your job data to X-rite Color Cert server. So let's just show you very quickly how you can do that. Firstly, there is the export option under the File menu in pressSIGN, and then you click on the Color Cert option, of course. That then brings up this window. Now there's very little in there because I don't have a ColorCert license, but you'd essentially browse for your job data that you're going to submit to the server and then complete some of the other data that's in here. It is just unfortunately a rather blank window. So let me bring you back to me. What you will find is that the ColorCert data is only going to work if you have measured your color data using an X-rite Exact or an X-rite IntelliTrax. If you're using an X-rite i1 or any other devices from other manufacturers such as Tekon, Barbieri, Miro, any of those, you cannot submit your data to the ColorCert server, so that will then be blank in this window. And that's it really. Just wanted to show you where you can get to it. Just to show you once more, it's in this window here, File, Export, ColorCert. You must have a job open to be able to do that. If you have any questions regarding pressSIGN, if you'd like to get hold of a copy even for a short period of time, I can arrange that for you as well. Make sure you hit the like button if these videos are of use to you, and hit the subscribe if you'd like to be notified of any more videos that I'm producing relating to both pressSIGN and colour management in the graphics and print industry in general. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye now.